guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is ShardeMarie. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup look. I had to bring one out for you guys this year, and I am in love with this look. It's very sexy, very sultry, but fun at the same time. It's very easy to get this look. We basically use a lot of nothing but affordable or drugstore makeup, so you can find these items at any of your local beauty supply stores or Ulta or CVS, Target, Walmart, wherever you shop for your makeup. You can definitely find all these items there. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then continue to keep watching. Hi guys, let's get into this makeup look. So the first thing that I'm doing is working on the brows, and the product that I'm using is the ms.cosabella highbrow precision pencil in the color brown down, and then I use my NYX full coverage concealer in the color tan just to clean it up.
Too caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Next, we're going to prime the face. So I will be using two primers for this look. The first primer I'm using is the NYX Bear With Me Jelly Primer, and then I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, the original one.
It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me.
Now we are spraying the face, and I'm using my Mario Badescu skincare spray in Aloe Sage and Orange Blossom. And usually I don't color correct, but since we're going all out and getting super glam, I thought why not. So I'm using the AOA Studio Wonder Cover HD Concealer in the color orange just to cover up any dark spots and my under eyes as well.
You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Now for foundation, we are using the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the color 320 Honey. I love this foundation. The finish is beautiful and it's full coverage.
From the start, by the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go.
So we'll be using two different concealers. One is lighter and one is sort of like my skin tone. So for the lighter one, we're using Juvia's Place Concealer in the number 16. And then for the skin tone one, we're using Morphe Concealer in 3.25.
Change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you.
Now to powder our face, I'm using two different powders. I'm using the Juvia's Place powder in the color Kalahari, and then the Maybelline Fit Me powder in medium deep. This combination just gives me the perfect mixture of brightening and setting.
Don't kill the vibe. If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind.
Now we're moving on to bronzer, highlight, and blush. So for bronzer, I'm using my NYX matte bronzer in the color Deep Tan. For blush, I'm using the Laura Mercier blush in Rosé. This is the only high-end product that I use in today's video. And for the highlighter, we're using the Makeup by Shayla and ColourPop collab in the color Pose, which is like a very intense rose gold.
I'ma make you mine tonight, pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it.
So now we're moving into the eyes, and the look came out so gorgeous, you guys. But the first thing I'm going to do is take my e.l.f. Line and Define eye tape, and I'm doing this so that our eyeshadow can come out sharp. I mean sharp, okay? So I highly recommend doing this, but I also highly recommend doing your eyes first because we are using the glitter and it went everywhere. But that's neither here or there. So the first thing you see me taking is the color Golden Gate Bridge, and I'm using that to put it all over my eyelid and into the crease and using it as a transition. And then I'll be taking cutouts to use that in the crease as well, but making it a little bit more deeper. I'm going to take the color Poodle and put that in the outer corners and more into the lid, just to give it a little bit more definition and just to make it more Valentine-y. And then lastly, I'll be taking the color Renegade, which is our glitter. I would suggest using a glitter glue. I didn't use one, I don't know why, but I would suggest using a glitter glue so it can really stick and not get all over the place. But like I said, this look came out super gorgeous and I think you guys would really love it.
Everything, yeah. Do it, do it, do it. I'll do it, do it, do it, do it. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love I go. Please love me. Oh, I don't think I can let you go. Say you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it.
So I'm taking this Super Shock shadow from ColourPop in the color Free Reign and using that deep brown as a eyeliner. I didn't want a black because I thought it would be too harsh, so I thought a brown would be perfect for this look.
Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it.
So the mascara that I'm using is my Holy Grail, is my Monster Big from Lancome, and then the lashes that I showed you guys are not the lashes that I wore. Instead, I'm wearing a pair of lashes from Alter Ego in the style Celeb. Now I'm digging back into the ColourPop palette and using the color cutouts to run that underneath of the lash line, as well as adding the NYX Infinite Shadow Stick in the color Rose Gold to the waterline and some more mascara on the bottom lash line. And for the lips, I took my Juvia's Place lip liner in the color Cola and ran that all over the lips. And then for the main color, I'm using my Maybelline matte lipstick in the color Almond Rose.
I do. They heard I was good. They wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you on the picture. Now it's me and you. I've waited, waited. We gonna make them move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I'm waiting. We gonna make them move. Now, baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let.
And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look and love it just as much as I do. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I know you're not my girlfriend, but I swear that I love you, baby, I do. See, I know you're not your girlfriend.